Amir, our audience is very savvy about APIs. Why is it not a trusted pipeline?
When you're using third-party API, it's really unclear who is accessing your sensitive data and the type of data that is being accessed. Think about all the different third-party that you're using, whether it's for payroll, for HR, for CRM, for marketing. Access permissions are usually too broad and not granular enough with APIs, leading to over-permissive API secrets having access to more data than they should. And then, if those third-party API secrets are not managed and monitored closely for suspicious behavior, this increases the risk for data breaches.
The way you describe it, it sounds kind of similar with APIs in that if you're publishing APIs, you have a responsibility of how you distribute it, how you secure the keys. And if you're consuming it, there must be a responsibility model at that level. So walk me through what you think both sides should be doing. And my guess is the difference between should and what's happening are greatly different.
When you publish an API, you basically follow secure coding, development cycles. However, when you consume that, you don't have the access to do it. You're basically relying on what the vendor provides to you. So what you need from your end as an organization in order to stay with the security controllers is basically to continuously monitor the API usage, looking at the API secrets, how they're being managed, what type of permission they have. You need to perform behavioral analysis to detect those suspicious behavior because this is not in your control.
What's your advice to our community on how to deal with this?
I would say that API can feel like choosing a restaurant from a list of hundreds of restaurants, right? So when you pick a restaurant, you can narrow down your choices by identifying the type of food you want to eat. To secure third-party APIs, I would recommend to start small and educate yourself and your team on the risks of the third-party APIs. Identifying the most critical business application, basically your crown jewel system that contains sensitive data and connect to other systems. Security team should ask themselves what third-party applications are consuming data from those crown jewel systems. This visibility is the most important part of starting to build a security strategy for third-party APIs. And after you get the visibility into your crown jewel system, then you can work on continuously monitoring those systems and setting up behavioral analysis.
So if you want to help on dealing with the ongoing issue of managing your APIs, know what's coming through it, seeing alerts when they happen, you got to check out what they're doing over at Vorlon Security. The web address is right there. Go check them out.